The dekofireSafe protection board is a decorative patented wall cladding from Decoder International that meets the highest fire protection requirements. Thanks to the A2S1D0 building material classification, it not only offers maximum safety, but also impressive design options with minimal installation effort. How can the dekofireSafe protection board be installed easily and efficiently? We'll show you here. Decoder International recommends that dekofireSafe protection boards are always installed by 2 people. This product contains glass fibers, therefore observe all necessary personal protective measures. dekofireSafe protection boards must be acclimated for at least 24, preferably 48 hours before installation, at 18 to 24 degrees Celsius and a humidity of 35 to 50%. Ideally, the boards should be stored in the room in which they are to be installed later. First, check the boards for visible defects or transport damage. The front and back of the boards are identical, for unstructured front sides are identical and can be used on both sides. Structured boards have a smooth rear back and a predetermined structured front side. Only use dekofireSafe protection boards on even, dry, dust-free, and clean walls. If necessary, remove residues and dust with a cloth. For each wall, mark the center line as the starting point of the installation and work from the center outwards. Make sure that existing substrate joints are offset to the seams of the boards and do not lie directly on top of each other. To prepare, miter cut the corners of the aluminum decorative profiles and cut the vertical decorative strips to fit so that they are flush when they are joined together. Apply the adhesive to the profile strips and attach them to the wall. Make sure that the strips are positioned vertically and horizontally. Place approximately 2.5 centimeter long nails at 30 to 40 centimeter intervals. Then place more 2.5 centimeter long nails into the lower flange of the strips. Now cut the first board to size using a circular saw. Mark all areas where cutouts for sockets, light switches, and etc. are planned. The cutouts should be dimensioned so that there is a 3 mm gap between the cutout edge and the switch or socket. There are 2 options for installation using the recommended non-flammable adhesive. Spray directly onto the wall using a spray gun. Ensure that the adhesive is evenly distributed. The surface must be even and smooth without any thickening. The recommended application quantity per meter squared is 150 grams to 400 grams. Or you can apply the adhesive to the boards with a pneumatic or electric cartridge gun or spatula onto the boards. Keep a distance of at least 1 centimeter from all edges. The recommended application quantity here is approximately 150 grams to a maximum of 400 grams per meter squared. Also, apply the adhesive along the cutout markings on the drywall. Keep a distance of 1 centimeter from the cutout edge here too. Attention! As soon as the adhesive has been applied, the board must be attached to the wall within 12 minutes. Make sure there is a minimum gap of 3 mm at all edges or seams. For the temporary mount, drill oversized holes in the underside of the boards, which will later be covered by the skirting board. Stabilize the board with flathead screws until the adhesive has dried. Now, press the board firmly against the wall. Use an extendable hand roller with 3 roller heads to ensure that the pressure is evenly distributed. It is best to remove any excess adhesive immediately with acetone. Now attach the next profile strip. Fix the corner joints of the profile strips with masking tape until the adhesive has dried. Observe the adhesive manufacturer's drying time. Once all the boards have been fitted, cut out all the marked openings for sockets or switches, etc. Once the adhesive has dried, remove the drywall screws and attach the skirting boards according to the manufacturer's instructions. For more information, visit dekofiresafe.com.